Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about ion exchange method. So this process is mainly used for to remove the salts from hard water to convert to soft water. So in permanent method, another method also have there, that is ion exchange resin method. Okay, ion exchange resin method. So these ion exchange resin method contain two methods. Number one, cation exchange resin method, and second one, anion exchange resin method. So ion exchange resin method, it contains two steps. First step is cation exchange resin method. Next step, anion exchange resin method. Already we know that hard water contain different types of salts. So in permanent method, we have remove the main magnesium chloride MgCl2 or magnesium sulfate MgSO4 or CaSO4 calcium sulfate or CaCl2 calcium chloride. So these are all salts removed in this process. Okay, so overall already we know that magnesium chloride is converted to Mg plus 2 Cl minus. MgSO4 is converted to Mg plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. CaSO4 calcium sulfate, it is converted to ion, two ions, Ca plus 2 ion and SO4 minus 2 ion. Next further calcium chloride, Ca plus 2 ion and 2Cl minus ion. Okay, so in cation exchange resin method, so exchange the cation. Okay, exchange the cation in this step to formation of H plus ions. Okay, so in this process we have addition of RH. So RH is just like a acid resin. Okay, acidic nature of resin. Okay, so this R is just like alkyl. R is alkyl. Or also suppose we have addition of RCOOH also. RCOOH. RCOOH also cationic exchange resin. Okay, cationic exchange resin or acidic nature of resin. When we have addition of this acidic resin with hot water, that time that acidic resin is exchange the ion. Okay, exchange the ion. Suppose for example we have taken RH. What is the R? R means alkyl. R means alkyl. So already we know that. So R, alkyl means CH3, methyl alkyl. Or suppose C2H5, ethyl alkyl. Or C3H7, propyl alkyl. So methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, they are all alkyls. Okay, replace of R we write CH3 or C2H5 any. Okay, So overall this RH acidic resin is exchange Mg plus 2 or Ca plus 2, any cation. Okay, Mg plus 2, this is MgCl2 is converted to Mg plus 2 and 2Cl minus, already we know that. CaSO4 is converted to Ca plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. So overall cation is converted to, so in this process R2Mg plus 2H plus, okay, 2H plus 2R, R2Mg. So in this process, to which ions are formed in this reaction? H plus ions. Okay, or suppose we have taken RCOOH. So this RCOOH is reacts with Ca plus 2, suppose calcium plus 2 ions. That time RCOO taken twice Ca and next 2H plus ions. Okay, 2RCOOH acidic resin. Okay, it is reacts with the Ca plus 2 ions or Mg plus 2 ions to gives rise to RCOO taken twice Ca and next remaining 2H plus ions. Okay, so in the first step is cationic exchange resin method. So in this resin method, acidic resin is exchange cations to give 2H plus ions. Okay, next anionic exchange resin method. In this method we have used basic nature of compound, like suppose for example RNH2. NH2 means just like amine, amine, alkyl amine, alkyl amine. Okay, alkyl. So amine, just like amine, NH2, amine functional group. COOH means acid functional group. Acid. Suppose acetic acid. Okay, butanoic acid, pentanoic acid means COOH means acid, just like acid functional group or carboxylic functional group. Okay, so NH2 means amine functional group, amine. So overall RNH2. So it is reacts with the water molecule to form RNH3OH. RNH3OH means hydroxide. Okay, so it is basic nature of compound. When it is exchange the anion, so anions means just like 2Cl minus or SO4 minus 2, they are all anions. Okay, but Mg plus 2 is the cation, Ca plus 2 is the cation, but here 2Cl minus is the anion, SO4 minus 2 is the anion. Okay, so when RNH3OH, it is exchange the SO4 minus 2 ion. So that time to form this reaction RNH3SO4. Okay, so RNH3SO4 taken twice plus 2OH minus. Okay, so overall in this process to release the hydroxide ions. Okay, to release the hydroxide ions. Okay, so overall in cationic exchange method or step to release the H plus ions, and next further in anionic exchange resin method to release the OH minus ions. When that two ions, H plus ions and OH minus add to H2O. So these water molecules is also called deionized water. deionized water. Means just like it is formation by ions, H plus ions and OH minus ions to form water molecule. The type of water molecule is called deionized water. Okay, so it is a ion exchange resin method. Ion exchange resin method contains two steps. Number one, cationic exchange resin method. Second one, anionic exchange resin method. In cationic exchange resin method, exchange the cations to give the H plus ions. In this process, we have addition of acidic resin. Next, anionic exchange resin method. So in this process, exchange the anions. So overall, to release the or to give the OH minus ions. So in this process, we have addition of basic nature of resin or basic nature of compound. So in this step 1, step 2, in this two process, so to release the H plus and OH minus ions, when we have addition of the two ions, H plus ions and OH minus ions to give H2O water molecules. So that water molecules is called deionized water, because just like it is formed by ions, that is H plus ion and OH minus ions. Okay, so it is ion exchange resin method. Next further class we will discuss the remaining points. Okay.